How to trim video in Picsart. Want to cut your video down to just the best part? Here's how to trim it in Picsart. First, upload your video and drag it onto the timeline in the editor. Click on the video clip. This opens the trim handles at the beginning and end. Drag the handles inward to remove unwanted sections from the start or end. Use the preview window to check your cut. You can also enter specific time codes for precision. Once trimmed, click apply, then export to save your shortened video. Do you usually trim the beginning or the end more often? Let me know in the comments below. For smoother edits, add a fade in or fade out after trimming. It looks very good. And that's how you can trim video in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.